आपणाक कोणेच कांय कळीत केल्लें ना आनी हरशीं म्हण पावसाळ्या अधिवेशनाक वेळ आसा. तो मेरेन हंगामी सभापती पद स्विकारपाक आपली तयारी आसा अशें वक्तव्य मायकल लोबो हांच्यांनी केलां. RDX गो खातीर पर्वरीच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Michael Bob.
I have not received anything. Neither our office has received anything.
So I just
तुवें सांगिल्लें की तुका स्पीकराची पोझिशन यू आर नॉट रिलक्टंट.
correct.
See, Speaker's position will be assessed in the month of July, when the monsoon session will start. Till then, I am acting Speaker. We'll see.
So today's vote of confidence asat. You
Vote of confidence you will see in 30 minutes. So have some patience.
Your own party not to this thing, willing to take over as a speaker.
See, Speaker's position is in the month of July. We'll see at that particular time. I am a vociferous MLA for Goa. So vociferous MLA cannot be silent.
Speaker is silent.
That is more than enough.
Sir, Speaker is silent.
Speaker is non-biased. He cannot speak for the government, neither the opposition, or any issues of the people of the state of Goa or anybody.